Oh, ow. Man, how did that thing go all the way over there, you silly wheel? Come on, boy. Just pulling up to none other than Harbor freaking Freight. Never ever been here. Let's see what the hype is all about. Let's see if it's as bad as everybody says it is. But I think they have exactly what we need. So we're about to hop up in here and see if the price flips the bill here and maybe just helps us out a little. Let's go in there and check it out. And honestly, not bad, especially for not being a mechanic. Everything looked really cool to me. I wanted to buy out the whole dang store. So much good stuff there, but we got this here steering wheel remover kit. Hopefully this will help us in our process today. If we don't end up needing it, we'll end up sending it back for money, but I think we're gonna end up using this to get this sucker out of there. Very nice set. It was only like $40, so can't complain at all. You know the deal. And then we did buy some cheap here bits. Let me see if I can get these out. Got these cheap step bits here. Gonna fight the traction bars again maybe at some point, but nice to have nonetheless. But there are some trucks here. Check this out here. Look at this long bed Cummins with paint matched taillights. Super clean looking truck. I'd love to hear it fired up, but that looks really dope out there. Also in front of us we got this old square body GMC 2500. Over here, where we got Denali Duramax right there. Got a car pulling through in the way, and then got a nice dually Power Stroke. How about that? So Truck Nation down here at the old Harbor Freight. Well, I guess since we didn't have a white Christmas, they are making up for it now. We are in full blizzard effect. It looks like maybe we got, I don't know, 2 foot of snow, and the drifts are just crazy, and then it's gonna get super cold in the next couple days. So we're gonna take advantage while it is still somewhat warm out and go out and get over to the shop here and get a project done. But here we are, snow season. Where you at? Now, believe it or not, there is a road in here somewhere. Look at that. Look at this booger, boy. This is real stuff. This is real truck stuff right here. If you ain't out in the snow getting it, what are you doing? This is an adventure. I love it. We're gonna get there though. Bam! And now that we made it over to Ovi's shop, you guys already know the deal. Overtime Diesel, we are back. Thanks again, Ovi. We are working on the race truck today, the new truck to the channel, whatever you want to call it, the Denali back here. We talked about that steering wheel being trashed in there. It's kind of like one of those, I don't know what you would call it, almost like a chain wheel. You know them chain wheels? That's what it feels like when you're trying to drive that sucker. Doesn't really fit the bill. So we did get a new one here off eBay. Check this booger out. On the sled too, it is sled season if you guys didn't tell. Also in the last video, started working on the 329. We'll get back to that video for an update. Maybe next, sled season in full effect. Might get that out later, we'll see. But this is the new steering wheel. I'll put the guy's eBay profile on there. This came wrapped super nice. This is out of an Escalade, but we're gonna put it in the Denali and it's gonna look super, super hot. But let's get to work on this booger and see what we can come up with. Wow, wow, wow. So we just got the old one out. Look at this booger right here. It has seen such better days. Complete junker. It looks so weird without the steering wheel. And mind you, we didn't pay attention to the wheel. Look at that wheel spun just like that, boy. So we got her upside down. Trying to follow the video, everything upside down. But here's our airbag. Came right out. Nice and easy. The nut, 21 millimeter, that came right out. A couple wire harnesses we had to undo, and there she goes, boys. That steering wheel puller did come in handy, so I am glad, wherever that booger went, glad we had this set up because that popped it right out. One loud pop, and she went. And now we can put the old one, or the new one, put that new one in next. Here we go, boy. And look at that booger on there. Now that it's tightened down, wire harnesses are plugged in, and look at that wood grain. The old one wasn't even wood grain. This thing's absolutely stepping the game up. Escalade to the Denali. Perfect fit if y'all are wondering. And then we just got to get the airbag in. Actually charging up the truck right now. It's dead. We got the battery charger on it over here because we're going to straighten up the wheels best we can. That way we can make sure that the wheel is up and center. Probably still going to get an alignment done when the new wheels and tires get put on here in the spring. Got the inner fender liner covers over there in a box and just all kinds of other stuff coming. So one thing at a time here. Let's get this steering wheel project wrapped up and then we can move on to what's next here. And a nice little press on there and the airbag is back. Look at that. That looks so much freaking better. Super clean, upgraded wood grain. Now we're Escalade Denali or something like that, but boy, that sucker looks decently straight. Probably have alignment done at some point, but so much better there. We could probably reconnect our batteries here. Again, I'll reference the video we used to do this process, because again, this is not supposed to be a how-to by any means, just kind of showing you the adventure. Yes, the seat will be coming here soon. We'll get these tools packed up, and yeah, that ought to wrap up that steering wheel. Boy, I'm pumped about that, to match all the other wood grain accents in this truck. Absolutely beautiful. We got the sled over here almost ready to go, but the game is on. You know, we got to watch the game in the shop always. Packers going to be on there soon on the Super Bowl. For now, it's some bogus team, but everybody over here is just chilling, getting ready, going to be watching this sucker. We've been working on the truck a little bit, but you know, it is getting kind of bad out there, so we want to get home cozy. Next couple days are going to be terrible, so we'll get back to these sleds. This one was just ripping the other day. He told me he don't want to talk to me right now on camera, so a little shy. I got to have a couple cold ones first. Yeah, we're going to get back to the here 329 here in a little bit, but that'll be in the next video. But check this out right here. This one's tore down to like the bare bones. I'd like to just rip it just like this. Wouldn't that be something? I don't know. We'll get some feedback on what he's got going on, but for now, wrapping up another truck project here at the shop. There she is. Like I told you, we got the new wheels at home. We were going to bring them today, but it was snowing too much. We're going to have those wheels on it for sure, but we'll probably unveil those maybe after this video, maybe, who knows. We're going to figure this out as we go, but bed liner turned out super sick as always. Next, probably get that seat done too, but that steering wheel, is hot, boy. So we'll leave you with that for now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is gonna wrap up today's video. If it doesn't show enough, it is snowing absolutely crazy again. We're gonna take our time, go nice and slow on the way home, get ready for all the games. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of all over the place like we do, but we have a lot of fun making these videos. The Denali is well on its way to being a super cool truck again, so bear with us on this project. If you did enjoy it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe. We got tons more content coming. As always, love you guys. Peace. Oh yeah, a little bonus content out here. We are back, and today we are going to be taking the Jeep because it is -13 out without the wind chill. They say -30, -40. Got the Duramax plugged in, trying to keep her nice and warm, but we might fire her up later. I don't know. We got the Jeep warming up. Been a minute since we've given the Jeep some love on the channel. The Boost Auto steps. Look at what the smoke. Look at that. That's super epic, but we're going to climb in here, see how it does in the snow. Haven't driven the nice meaty 35s in the snow. Super excited. Sure they'll do well. We got to get to the gym and get in shape though. Oh yeah, all 4 tires are low. Tori's been on me about that for a minute. But look at all the snow. I love on the roads when it's like this. It kind of reminds me of bowling for kids where you got the bumpers on the lane. I just want to like slide into this and see what it does, but I've never even put this sucker in 4-wheel drive, and I don't plan on it because the 2-wheel drive is doing super phenomenal with these meaty tires. The Duramax does terrible in the snow. This sucker just does great. Look, we can come over and hit a little bit. Boom, boy, gotta hit a little skate. Woo, woo. And there you have it, folks. We have made it. She did absolutely epic in the snow as expected. 35s, mud tires, super aggressive. Had in 2-wheel drive the whole way. Absolutely zero problems. This thing is so much better than the Duramax, but we got to let me grab these Jordans here and let me get in there and try to get in shape, boy. All right, now we can roll the credits. All right, roll the credits now. That's it. Roll them. I'm out. Done. End of video. Peace.